In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Unranked in chess.com. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against other real players unranked. This way, you will be able to practice your moves, get better at chess without affecting your elo or rank. So, as you might be aware, when you create an account to play on chess.com, you will have a rank attributed to you. If you don't want this rank to be affected when you play, then all that you have to do is click on play at the left, make sure that you choose the standard play option so you play online versus people, and then before you queue in, click on custom. Now you will be able to find this toggle rated, and all that you have to do is make sure that this is not toggled on, and you will be able to play unranked. In fact, you will even be able to choose if you want to play as white, black, or random. You will be able to customize some other settings here, such as the rating range, opponent. You can enter a specific username to send them a challenge, and then you can customize the options. So the mode available, and then stuff like bullet, blitz, rapid, and the daily option. But the most important thing for you to untoggle is going to be rated. And then you can go ahead and click on play. Immediately upon clicking play, you will have to agree to these rules here to keep it fair. And then if you agree, you will be matched up with a random person online. So as you can see, we are now playing unranked. Now for this video, I'm not going to play too much. I'm not very good at chess, but I just wanted to showcase that this works. So I'm just going to resign. And this is all you have to do. You will be able to play unrated chess, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. Just go over to chess.com, click on play, play online, and you will be able to set up unranked matches by untoggling this option here before queuing in. I hope I was able to help you on how to play unranked on chess.com. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.